Hi everyone, it's Irena, and today I'm going to show you what I do in the morning if I'm in a hurry. I use my blender to make my breakfast, and I make it in one of these great cups when I'm on the run. So I take it with me. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Now the blender kit is really terrific because it has several sizes. It has the 700ml large cup. It has the next one, which is 400ml, and then it has the glass one. And this is really tough glass, and it actually does all the grinding, so it can grind your coffee and nuts and spices. It's fantastic. So today I'm going to use the middle size, the 400ml, and I'm going to make my breakfast. So that's how I make it. Now you actually take your blender like so, and you use the blades from the blender. So you open it up from underneath like that, quite simply, and you use that. So I'm going to just pop in what I have for breakfast if I'm on the run. So I pop in some milk, a banana, or any other fruit I might have in the fruit bowl at the time, but bananas are always really a good way to start my day. I put some oats in there, and that gives me some nice fibre. So some oats into it. The LSA gives me lots of the protein, so seeds in that, so that's really healthy. And it keeps me going, especially if I've got one of those days where I am actually on the run. And some yogurt. So my probiotics in there like that, and a drizzle of honey because I love to be just that little bit sweeter. Okay, so that's a really good one. So then we pop that on top like so. I'm going to pop it on like that, okay, and then you put it in, and we're going to turn it on, and we've got it on smoothie. There's on the setting. And I'm just going to turn it on like that and hold it down. So, in no time. And there it is. That's my smoothie. So it doesn't take very long. It's a really good one if you're on the run in the morning. And then, of course, I can just use my little lid like that, and off I go. It's really, really easy. And so what a great way to start your day. What a great way, and a really fast way. The Magimix blender has 30 years guarantee on the motor, and all of the parts are just made very well, very strongly. So I suggest you give it a go, and I'm on my way to having a very busy day. Okay, see ya.